Not all email marketing platforms are built the same. Some are made for e-commerce, some for automation-heavy businesses, and others try to do a bit of everything. Omnisend and GetResponse fall into different categories, and depending on your goals, one will be a much better fit than the other. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform best fits your needs, and we'll go over everything that you need to know: features, pricing, ease of use, customer support, and more. So let's get into it. What are Omnisend and GetResponse? A quick overview. Before we get into the specifics, let's first set the stage by understanding what both of these platforms do and who they're for. Omnisend. Omnisend is all about catering to e-commerce businesses. If you're running an online store, whether it's built on Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento, Omnisend is designed to make your marketing simpler and more effective. Think of it as your all-in-one tool for building automated email campaigns, sending SMS notifications, and running promotions, all designed with online retail in mind. Omnisend focuses on driving sales and improving customer retention. It allows you to set up triggers based on customer behavior, like cart abandonment, purchase history, and product preferences. So you can create personalized experiences for each shopper. And with features like automated workflows, SMS marketing, and landing pages, it's optimized to give e-commerce stores a competitive edge. GetResponse. On the other hand, GetResponse is a full-fledged marketing suite that's not limited to just email marketing. While it certainly caters to e-commerce businesses as well, it also goes beyond that. GetResponse is a multi-channel platform. It helps businesses grow by offering tools for webinars, landing pages, CRMs, and conversion funnels. Now, real quick, if I were choosing an email marketing platform and I wanted more than just email, I'd seriously consider GetResponse. At its core, it's a powerful email marketing tool. But what sets it apart is how much more it lets you do beyond sending emails. Its built-in automation, segmentation, and email templates make it easy to run targeted campaigns. But where it really shines is in its extra features. You're not just getting an email tool. You're getting a platform that can also host webinars, build high-converting landing pages, and track customer behavior with a built-in CRM. If you're running a business that needs an all-in-one marketing system instead of just an email sender, GetResponse is built for that. That said, if your main focus is e-commerce, then Omnisend might be the better fit. But if you want email marketing with extra tools to support lead generation and audience engagement, GetResponse brings a lot to the table. Pricing. When it comes to choosing any software, pricing's obviously a huge factor. So let's break down what both of these platforms cost and what you get for your money. Omnisend. Omnisend has a free plan that allows for up to 250 contacts and 500 emails per month. For small e-commerce stores just starting out, this is a solid option. But as your business grows, so will your email list, and you'll need to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The standard plan starts at $16 per month for up to 500 contacts, and if you need more, you can move up to the Pro plan, which costs $59 per month. So taking a closer look at their plans here, starting with the free plan. So again, this is good for up to 250 contacts and allows you to send 500 emails per month, 500 web push notifications per month, supports 50 published reviews on Shopify, and you get $1 in free SMS credits to try out that feature. Moving on to the standard plan, it starts at $16 per month for 500 contacts. Now, if you decide to pay for 3 months up front, you can save 30%, bringing the cost down to $11.20 per month. Now, again, this pricing is good for 500 contacts. You can send 6,000 emails per month, unlimited web push notifications per month, supports 1,000 published reviews on Shopify, and once your Omnisend plan reaches $400 per month or higher, you get a dedicated success manager, and this plan also comes with 24/7 priority support. Now, you're also going to get $1 in free global SMS credits to try that out as well. Now, moving on to the Pro plan. So this starts at $59 per month, billed monthly, and when you decide to pay for 3 months up front, you can go ahead and save 30%, bringing that cost down to $41.30 per month. Now, this plan at this price point is good for 2,500 contacts. You can send unlimited emails, web push notifications, and published reviews on Shopify. Again, you get that success manager once you reach the $400 per month mark. You get 24/7 priority support and advanced reporting on this plan. Now, this plan also comes with a monthly bonus. So however much you're spending per month, you get that in global SMS credits. So if you choose to pay for 3 months up front, you're paying $41.30 per month. you get $41.30 per month in SMS credits. If you choose to go the monthly route and pay $59 per month, you're also going to get $59 in global SMS credits as well. So that is for this first level of list size. Now, as your list grows, so does the price. So at 5,000 subscribers, this is the price point you can expect. And at 10,000 subscribers, this is the price point that you can expect here. So that's Omnisend. Now, if you want to get started with Omnisend, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. That'll bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started on Omnisend's free plan if you have under 250 contacts. Again, click the link down below in the description to get started. GetResponse's pricing structure. GetResponse's pricing is pretty similar in structure, but there are some differences. So taking a look at GetResponse's different plans. So they have their starter plan, their marketer plan, and their creator plan. Now you can also get a discount when you decide to pay yearly of 18%. And if we select monthly, we can see how the pricing changes here. So taking a look at the starter plan. So this starts at $19 per month billed monthly or $15.58 when billed annually. Now with this, you get unlimited email marketing, unlimited autoresponders, unlimited landing pages, custom automation workflow, email and landing page templates, sign up forms and pop-ups, and 24/7 chat support. Now you could get a free custom domain if you sign up for the yearly plan, but you do not get that on the starter plan. The marketer plan starts at $59 per month and goes down to $48.38 per month when you sign up for annual billing. And in this plan, you get everything in the starter plan plus unlimited marketing automation, abandoned cart recovery, newsletter revenue statistics, promo codes, email delivery scheduling, advanced segmentation, sales funnels, contact scoring, and unlimited web push notifications. The creator plan starts at $69 per month and goes down to $56.58 per month when paid annually. And you get everything in the marketer plan plus unlimited courses, up to 500 students, mobile app for students, quizzes and certificates, creator profile, premium newsletters, and website builder, webinars, and no transaction fees. So as you can see, these two platforms cater to different audiences. For example, under the creator plan here, you can create unlimited courses, which is not something that Omnisend is geared towards. Now, while we're still looking at GetResponse's pricing here, let's go ahead and slide this to change the size of the list. We can see how that changes once we get up to 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, 25,000. What makes GetResponse's pricing a bit different is the inclusion of webinars and CRM tool in their higher tier plans. So if you need those features, GetResponse gives you more options for scalability without needing to use some separate tools. Which one is more affordable? So if you're just getting started, you can go ahead and try them both out without commitment. But when it comes to pricing, Omnisend is a bit more e-commerce centric with features that help you boost your store's sales. Now, GetResponse has broader ranges of marketing features, which makes it a better choice for businesses looking to do more than just email marketing. Both tools are competitively priced, but your choice really depends on what kind of business you're running. Features. What can each tool do? Now let's talk about what these platforms actually bring to the table in terms of features. Both Omnisend and GetResponse are packed with tools, but they're tailored for slightly different needs. Why Omnisend stands out for e-commerce. Omnisend isn't just another email marketing tool. It's built specifically for e-commerce with features that help online stores convert more visitors into buyers and keep customers coming back. Now, the platform offers a drag and drop email builder, but what really makes it shine is its ability to create shoppable emails. So unlike generic email builders, Omnisend lets you pull products directly from your store into your emails, complete with images, prices, and add to cart buttons, allowing customers to start shopping without even leaving their inbox. Beyond that, Omnisend integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Magento, making it easy to sync your store's data for automated campaigns like abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and product recommendation emails. Instead of manually building every campaign, Omnisend does the heavy lifting for you. The power of advanced segmentation and behavioral tracking. One of Omnisend's biggest advantages over traditional email marketing platforms is its deep customer insights and automation based on behavior. With advanced segmentation and behavioral tracking, you can send highly personalized emails based on how customers interact with your store. Here's what that looks like in real life. Cart abandoned emails that actually work. If a customer adds an item to their cart but doesn't check out, Omnisend can automatically send a follow-up email with a personalized discount or reminder to nudge them to complete complete the purchase. Product recommendation emails. Let's say a customer browsed a certain product category or bought a specific item. Instead of sending a generic email, Omnisend can suggest related products based on their behavior, increasing the chances of an upsell. Win-back campaigns. If a past customer hasn't made a purchase in months, Omnisend can trigger an automated email with an exclusive offer to bring them back. SMS and email automation together. Now, unlike some other email platforms, Omnisend also lets you combine email with SMS marketing. For example, if an email reminder about an abandoned cart goes unopened, the system can automatically follow up with a text message to increase the chances of conversion. Why this matters for e-commerce businesses. Most email marketing platforms focus on sending emails. Omnisend focuses on driving revenue. The combination of dynamic product recommendations, abandoned cart recovery, and behavior-based segmentation means you're not just blasting emails. You're sending the right message to the right customer at the right time. If I were running an online store, I'd want an email tool that works with my e-commerce platform, not just alongside it. And that's what makes Omnisend a strong contender. It's not just a marketing tool. It's a sales booster built specifically for e-commerce brands. GetResponse, more than just email marketing. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing suite that goes beyond email marketing. Some of GetResponse's key features include webinars, which is perfect for businesses that want to engage with their customers live and capture leads during presentation. Landing pages. With over 100 templates to choose from, GetResponse lets you create landing pages that convert without the need for a separate platform. CRM integration. Manage customer relationships, track interactions, and segment your audience more effectively. A/B testing. Optimize email campaigns by testing different elements like subject lines and content to see what works best. It depends on your needs. If you're an e-commerce business, Omnisend's obviously the better choice, with its tailored e-commerce features like SMS marketing and product recommendations. But if you need a broader range of marketing tools, GetResponse might be more up your alley. Customer support. Will you get the help you need? Customer support is another crucial factor when choosing software, especially when you're dealing with important customer data. Omnisend support. Omnisend offers 24/7 support via live chat for all paid users. They also have an extensive help center full of articles and guides to assist with any questions you might have. If you're just starting out, Omnisend's support team is known for being responsive and helpful, making sure that you get up and running in no time. GetResponse's support. GetResponse also offers 24/7 live chat, but it's only available for the Pro plan users and above. They also provide phone support for higher tier plans, which is great if you need more personalized assistance. Like Omnisend, GetResponse has a knowledge base, video tutorials, and a series of webinars that can help you improve your marketing skills. If you need phone support, GetResponse has an edge. However, Omnisend provides 24/7 live chat for all users, which is a big plus if you want support at any time. Integrations. Connecting your tools. Both Omnisend and GetResponse support integrations with a variety of third-party platforms, but their focus is a bit different. Omnisend's integrations. Omnisend integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. This is ideal for store owners who need everything to work together smoothly. You can sync your store's data, trigger automations based on customer behavior, and even send product recommendations directly to customers. GetResponse's integrations. GetResponse also supports integrations with e-commerce platforms and goes beyond that. It integrates with a wide range of CRM systems, social media platforms, and even webinar tools. So if you're looking for a more multifaceted marketing tool that connects everything, GetResponse might be the better choice. Winner, Omnisend is unbeatable for e-commerce integrations, while GetResponse is maybe a little bit more versatile overall if you're looking to connect various types of tools. So which platform is best for you? So after all that, which tool is the better choice for your business? Omnisend is perfect if you're running an e-commerce store. It offers specialized features that cater to online retail, including SMS marketing, cart recovery, and product recommendations. Plus, it integrates beautifully with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. GetResponse is the better choice if you're looking for a complete marketing suite. With tools for webinars, landing pages, CRM, and conversion funnels, GetResponse is great for businesses that need a little more than just email marketing. If you're a small e-commerce store just getting started, Omnisend might be the best choice, especially with its affordable pricing and e-commerce focused features. On the other hand, if you need something more comprehensive for lead generation, webinars, and CRM integration, GetResponse will serve you better. other. Both platforms have their pros and cons, but at the end of the day, it comes down to what your business needs most. Now, if you want to get started with Omnisend or GetResponse, you'll find links for them down in the description below. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.